Hello, what is your name?
My name is Clarita Molina.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids do you have?
I have 3 kids, which is 2 daughters and 1 son.
How old are they?
The first one is 14 years old, and the second one is 8 years old.
Okay.
Girl, and then the last one is boy, which is 6 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years and 7 months,
Do
ma'am.
you have any working experience in other countries?
No, ma'am.
So how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years, ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
She's living in Yonlong, ma'am.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
We have 1,200 square feet.
How many family members there?
6 members, ma'am.
How many children?
We have 2 children.
How old are they?
The first is boy, which is 20 years old, and then the second is girl, which is 18 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning, 6:45,
Mm-hmm.
and then starting to work, cleaning the house, and preparing my madam food going to work.
Turuan yung kausapin.
And then I will send my madam in the bus stop, and then continue cleaning until 8 o'clock, and then I will take my breakfast. And then after that, I will go market. And then after market, continue cooking lunch. And then after cooking lunch, eating, and then work again because they have the big house. And then after that, cleaning toilets, clothing, folding the clothes, iron the clothes. And then after that, I need to prepare food for dinner, ma'am. And then cooking 6 o'clock. And then after cooking, eat 7 o'clock. And then after washing the dishes, I need to feed the dogs. And then after all the working in the kitchen, I need to walk the dog, ma'am, for almost 1 hour. And after that, I will continue again the another work. And then 9 o'clock or 9 past, and then I go to sleep.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.